Luoyang Hengguan Bearing Technology Company Limited is an entity manufacturer of slewing bearings and customized non-standard machining parts. Our company integrates professional design, research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. Relying on the strong manufacturing capacity and research and development capacity, we can provide customers with one-to-one customized services and solutions. We mainly produce slewing bearings with a diameter of 50 to 10,000 millimeters, and the bearing precision can cover 4 grades of P0, P6, P5, and P4. At the same time, we can undertake various customized, non-standard machining parts, such as large gears, shafts, large ring gears, and couplings. We have established a perfect management system and have passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification in 2022. The company adopts a series of scientific quality management methods and quality assurance to ensure that every product we're producing can meet industry standards. At present, Hengguan Bearing has become the preferred supplier of many international customers. Products have been exported to more than 50 countries, including the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Italy, Turkey, Russia, Austria, Norway, Australia, Mexico, Malaysia, the Middle East, and South Africa. Hengguan Bearing is highly appreciated and trusted by customers all over the world. We always uphold integrity management and professional services, and sincerely invite overseas customers to visit and negotiate. We are willing to work with you to win the world.
This is Bonnie from Luoyang Hengguan Bearing. We can provide design, production, and sales services for high-quality slewing bearing, large gear, large ring gear, gear shaft, gear wheel, and other non-standard mechanical parts. All those products can meet your requirements. Warmly welcome customers to visit our factory.